Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your home screen layout on the iPhone. So, today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same. So, what you want to do is to go to the settings, okay, but before we do that, just remember how my home screen looks right now. So the settings are here, camera is here, and we have like the basis up over on the home screen layout. So to reset it to the factory defaults, so it is going to look like the, if you just start up a new iPhone without your configuration, so without just downloading all from the iCloud or from another iPhone, this is how your home screen layout is going to look like after resetting it. So let's go to the settings. Okay, now let's go to the general all the way down right now to find transfer or reset iPhone. Click on this one, and here just click on the reset, and here you are going to find reset home screen layout. So click on this one, and then as you can see, this will reset your home screen layout to factory defaults. Click on reset home screen, and now it's all done. And if you go to the main screen, as you can see, everything is different. So we do have a Discord app right now. The settings are here, not here. Camera is here, not here. So this is how the home screen layout, like the factory defaults, looks like, and this is how you can reset it. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.